what is the biggest motivation to wake up that early? And then other question is like kind of related to mental health. You know, like you struggle with that, but like as your physical health improves, it does improve your mental health as well, or vice versa. So how do you kind of reconcile, or how did you work on that, taking care of your mental health as well as your physical health? But before you answer that, what is the motivation?
it's it becomes motivation.
Mm-hmm.
So my motivation was my goal, like I say, originally was to run a 5K. Then it just kind of built up. Now my ultimate goal is before I turn 45, I want to run a marathon.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's hard to fit half marathon and marathon training into a day at any job.
Yeah.
So I keep notes around my house, like with goals of this is what I want to accomplish.
Mhm.
And it's just a mental note, but it's really sometimes you're not motivated to get up and run, but if, and it's not, it's one of those, you can miss a workout, but if you miss one, are you going to keep missing them and does it
Yeah.
become a domino effect?
Yeah.
And there are times I miss workouts because my body's telling me not to.
Yeah.
Um, so it more is a habit.
Mhm.
You develop it into a habit, and that habit kind of drives your motivation.
Yeah.
It's weird. So you start by being motivated to develop the habit, and then the habit drives the motivation. It's kind of like this circle effect. Because like
Yeah.
right now, this morning my alarm went off at 5 a.m. and like I said, I'm in this lull period. I laid in bed for half an hour and just played with my cat because I'm like, I don't want to get up and do anything. And I wasn't running this morning. I still got up and walked for an hour.
Nice.
Um, because I still do something
Yeah.
to keep active. So yeah, it's really those goals and setting those goals and whatever it is. And for me, getting up that early, that's the best time for me to fit in my training. Plus, as we get into summer, because trust me, running in the winter at that time, it's not fun. I go to the
And
gym a lot now.
In Kansas, yes, in a
Well,
rural.
yeah, and in Illinois, it's colder
Yeah.
than Kansas, so
Yeah.
so I go to the gym a lot then, and actually the harder motivation there is when I have to do my long runs on a track or a
Mm.
treadmill because I hate that. Um, but I think it's one of those you experience the end result once.
Mm.
And because I have people all the time, why do you want to go back and run a half marathon? And you thought it was crazy the first time. I'm like, because I experienced it and I'm ready to do it again. I don't know why. It's just so that's kind of how the motivation goes. It's about developing that habit.